This video is brought to you by SPECDTUNING.com. Today we will learn how to install projector headlights for a 1999 to 2005 Pontiac Grand Am. Please use all safety precautions before working on your vehicle. The tools recommended for this job are a Phillips screwdriver, trim padded remover, flat tip screwdriver, pliers, 2 red wires, 2 black wires, both 8 inches long, wire crimper, wire stripper, 4 quick splice wire connectors, 4 male quick wire connectors, 4 female quick wire connectors, a drill with a 3/8 drill bit, and a Dremel rotary. After opening the hood, we will begin by removing the plastic cover right beneath the hood. We can do this by popping out the clips that are securing the plastic cover to the frame of the car. We can now safely remove the plastic shielding on top of the headlights. After the shielding is removed, you will notice 2 safety pins located right above the headlights, as we have indicated here in the video. After the plastic shielding is removed, we can remove the locking clips by pulling the inner ones out and then pulling the outer ones slightly up. We can then gently pull the headlights slightly out to expose the back of the headlights. At this point, we will remove all the sockets by turning them counterclockwise slightly to unlock them and pulling them out. After the socket and bulbs are removed, it should look like the picture shown here. Behind the projector headlights, we will see 2 holes. We will make a larger cut in these 2 holes by following the dotted line shown here, which will allow the projector to fit more perfectly. You can choose any method you like to make these 2 cuts. In this shot, we will use the drills, the pliers, and the sander to make these holes. After this is complete, you can bring your new projector headlights, getting the sockets, placing them back into the headlights by turning them slightly clockwise to lock them into place. Please see our halo and LEDs wiring installation video if your headlight comes with halo or LEDs. In this frame, we will remove the light bulb so that we can use the sockets for the halo and LED. Before placing the projector headlights back into the vehicle, we will notice 3 red arrows indicated here. The red arrows will then match the same ones that are located on the vehicle. We can now plug the sockets from the projectors into the stock harness and gently place back the headlights into its original spot. We can now place back the locking pins located right above the headlights. Now we can place back the plastic shielding and inserting back all the clips. The installation is now complete. Please check all lights to make sure that they are all functioning before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECD Tuning videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.